Have you ever wanted to use eggs on your hair? In this video, I'm going to talk about the important side effects that you need to know and the dangers of using eggs on your hair. Now, don't get me wrong, eggs can be a natural hair treatment. They're used to condition and strengthen your hair, and this is a practice that dates back to centuries thanks to their high protein content, the fatty acids that they contain, as well as the lecithin. However, despite the benefits that we've listed, there are some drawbacks and some dangers associated with applying eggs to your hair, especially if done incorrectly or too frequently. And first, we have protein overload. Eggs are rich in protein, which can help to strengthen the hair. However, too much protein in this case can make the hair feel stiff, it can make it brittle, hard, and it can lead to breakage. Hair needs a balance of moisture and protein, so overusing egg treatments can disrupt this balance. The second side effect is bacterial risks that are associated with raw eggs. These can be contaminated with bacteria such as salmonella, which poses a risk if not handled or cleaned up properly after use. If you have cuts on your scalp, or if the egg mixture is somehow ingested, it could lead to health issues. Thirdly, we have odor. Eggs can leave a very unpleasant smell in the hair, which will be very difficult to wash out. Using cold or lukewarm water to rinse can help prevent the egg from cooking in your hair and reduce the smell, but it may still linger until your next shampoo. Also, difficulty in washing out. Now, if the eggs are not properly rinsed out, especially if hot water is used, the egg can cook up and it can clump in the hair, making it extremely difficult to remove without causing some hair breakage or damage. And fifthly, we have allergic reactions, and some people may have allergic reactions to eggs. They may not be aware of this until they apply them topically on the scalp, and this can lead to allergic reactions in the scalp, the neck, and even the face, ranging from mild irritation to severe rashes or more systematic reactions. And number 6, we have blocked follicles, because egg mixtures, especially when they are mixed with other ingredients for hair masks, can be very difficult to fully wash out, and they may lead to clogged hair follicles, and this can cause scalp issues such as acne or folliculitis. Now, especially if you have dandruff as well. And number 7 is effectiveness, how uncertain, how effective they are. So while many people swear by how effective eggs are as a hair treatment, there's limited scientific evidence supporting the benefits of applying them topically on the hair. Hair is dead protein in the end. So while eggs can temporarily make you feel conditioned, they cannot truly repair damaged hair by themselves. So to minimize the risk of using egg treatments on your hair, well, I've got a couple of tips for you. Firstly, always use fresh eggs to reduce the risk of bacterial contamination. Number 2, apply the treatment to clean damp hair and use cool water to rinse it out to avoid cooking the egg in your hair. Limit treatments to once a month or less to avoid protein overload. And if you have an egg allergy or sensitive skin, consider doing a patch test on your skin before applying it to your scalp, or opt for alternative hair treatments.